Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my raptor claw, the dinosaur claw. Here it is. Or in Jurassic Park, I think it will be Velociraptor claw. Yeah. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing, okay? So here it is. So first you need a square sheet of paper like this, and then you want to fold it in half. It's already folded to make the square. Then you want to bring these 2 points, right, these 2 edges right here to the center line, okay? That, and this edge as well to that center line. Okay, and now you see this triangle right here. Leave just a little bit of that edge and kind of bring this triangle up. Okay, and make sure it lines up with the middle. And yeah, remember to leave just a little bit of that edge. Okay, and fold that triangle up. And now you want to fold it in half, like so. And then you want to fold this triangle down, maybe up to that corner right there. So, and make sure this edge lines up as well. So fold that tip down, make a crease right there. Then you want to unfold, then kind of bend down this triangle on top, okay? So open this pocket and fold where that crease line is and kind of drag that whole piece down, okay? And make sure that corner kind of lines up with this edge here. Okay. And now you're going to fold in this edge right here. Okay. So fold in just a little bit of that edge and kind of give it that little curve right near this corner, okay? So right around here. Okay, and give it a little curve. Okay, and you see this corner right here. You want to fold in that corner to give it that little curve and smooth out these corners as well. Okay. And now fold in this bottom side right here. So kind of push in that edge. Like so. Okay, then fold in this corner right here. Okay, and kind of shape it up best you can. And here is the origami claw. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.